Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you this very special 1957 Chevrolet 3100. This truck has been through a full frame-off restoration, brand new paint, brand new suspension components, four-wheel disc brakes, a nice 350 crate motor underneath the hood, and it is a bad-to-the-bone truck. Let's go ahead and start up front here before we do the walk-around. Let's check out that beautiful chrome grille and bumper. It's all brand new and looks fantastic. The paint and bodywork on this truck is also very nice. As you can see, the paint is done in a dark hunter green, and it looks really, really nice on this truck. But overall, everything on this truck has been replaced or redone on the original parts. Your gaps here on the hood fit excellent. As you guys know that know the 3100 trucks, you do know that typically that is a nightmare to do, and this one looks really nice and the gaps are really good on it. As we look at the fender here, the fender's nice and clean, no major imperfections, no scratches, anything like that. Your chrome here around the fender is in excellent condition as well. It says Chevrolet 3100 on there. Your gaps here between the door and the fender are nice and even all the way down, guys. You've got an awesome set of Rocket Racing wheels here. They're 18-inch, and you've got a 245 tire up front. As we look at the glass up front too, guys, no chips or any imperfections there. The weather stripping's like brand new on this truck. Your wipers are in excellent condition as well. The roof is nice and clean here. The rain gutter here is nice and clean as well, or the drip rail, it's nice and clean. There's no imperfections up there. It's nice and smooth. You've got a nice chrome mirror here that's in excellent condition. Your wing window weather stripping is nice and in good condition, no cracking or anything like that going on there. Chrome door handle is in excellent condition as well. Just take a look at that door, nice and smooth. All the body lines are nice and even all the way down. Looks really nice. I like to open the doors here and show you that they do shut. Door shuts nice and good, no sagging door. Let's take a look at that big back glass back here, guys. That's what really makes this truck special, is that big back window, guys. That's a really nice window, looks really good. It kind of wraps around the cab here. Weather stripping is in excellent condition on it. Let's look at the side of the bedside here. Nice and straight, nice and even, no imperfections. Your chrome trim here looks really nice and really good condition. And I just love the look of a fleet side on these trucks. It just looks awesome. It's definitely a different look than the step side that you always see. The fleet sides are a little bit more rare. As we work our way around the back side of the truck here, you've got some nice chrome trim here around the tail lights, nice chrome bumper. You've got that tailgate there that says Chevrolet on the back, and you've got a beautiful wood bed in the back. One thing that I did forget to mention on this truck, guys, you do have the rear disc brakes on here, as well as the 18-inch Rocket Racing wheel with a 295 size tire on the back, guys. So you do have a mini tub back here to allow you to fit that big tire. So no issues with traction with that 350 that's putting out all the horsepower up front. But with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you what's under the hood. All right, guys, check out this extremely clean engine bay here. You've got a crate motor 350, and this 350 is not just a basic 350. This one has been souped up. You can definitely tell when you start it up, it's got a nice little camshaft in there, and it's very peppy when you rev it, so you can definitely tell there's some stuff going on internally there to give it that kind of horsepower. You do have some long tube headers there, an aluminum performance intake manifold, a nice 4-barrel carburetor. You've also got a upgraded AC system on this truck, so you can get plenty of cold air in the cab to keep you nice and cool on them hot days. You also have an upgraded aluminum radiator with electric fan to keep the engine happy on those hot days, especially when you get into some traffic. The engine bay is painted in a nice gloss black, and it looks real, or I apologize, dark green, and it is gloss black here on the side of the fenders. But very clean, sanitized engine bay, and looks really, really nice, guys. And this engine performs. It's got great power. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and work our way to the interior so I can show you the cool things in there. Wow, guys, check out the interior on this truck. These seats are the first thing you notice when you open the door. You notice that green houndstooth, and you also notice the aggressive bolstering here to keep you in the seat when you're driving this truck, because this truck, you definitely need that with the upgraded suspension, which we'll get to here shortly. But I really, really love these houndstooth green seats. And also another cool feature with them is they are powered. So if you want to move the seat, you ain't got to grab no bar or anything. You just use the electric motor here to get the seat where you want it, to get that perfect position. You do have an upgraded steering column here with tilt wheel, which is nice. You got a custom 3-spoke steering wheel. You also have some upgraded gauges here for this truck. The wipers, the lights, the AC, the radio, all works. You also have an upgraded retro sound stereo system there. I really like this low car shifter here that comes out of the floor. You do have a nice center console as well. Looks like it came out of an S10, but it fits in here very nicely. Brand new carpet here, guys. It looks really nice. The paint on the dash looks good too. This is a 57 dash, and it just looks really nice. If Justin will pan up, I just happened to notice this. You do have a houndstooth headliner as well. But guys, overall, what a fantastic truck, and this thing is mint. With that being said though, let's get to my favorite part and let's go take this one for a drive. All right guys, we're out in the Chevy truck taking it for a drive, and so far the first thing I've noticed on this beautiful truck is the ice cold AC that blows out of the vents here. It's about 100 degrees here in Georgia today, and this is keeping us nice and comfortable inside the cab. Second thing I've noticed is the acceleration on this truck. That 350 is fantastic. It gives this truck plenty of power. The third thing that I've noticed is the brakes and steering on this truck, guys. As you can see, I'm not fighting the steering wheel back and forward to try to keep this truck in the center of the road. It literally drives straight down the road, and the steering is nice and tight. The brakes feel really good on this truck as well. Also, the fourth thing on this truck is you do have a 4-speed transmission, guys. You got a 700 R4 in here, so you can cruise this thing at highway speeds, no problem at all. But the gauges are all working as they should. The radio sounds fantastic. You do have 2 speakers down here in the kick panel that give you your audio. But guys, overall, a fantastic truck. All the windows roll up and down as they should. Your wing windows are in good condition. This thing idles good, runs good, but overall just a fantastic truck, and has a beautiful interior to look at while you're driving with this green houndstooth. But guys, overall a fantastic truck. Another couple things that I'd like to mention on this truck is you do have a Mustang 2 front end on this truck, so it is rack and pinion. That's what gives you that really good steering. You got tubular A-arms as well. This truck also has a 4-link system that is backed up to a 12-bolt rear end. So plenty of strength back there to get the power from the 350 to the tires in the back. You don't have any issues with that. But overall, a fantastic driving truck. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call here at Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta at 770-738-7111. You can go to my website at collectiblemotor.com and you can find this truck on there. And we have a full write-up and description on this one. But if you guys need financing, shipping, anything to help you get this truck in your driveway, we can help you with that. We do it every day. We send vehicles all over the country, all over the world. I just sent a vehicle to Australia, so we can definitely help you guys no matter where you're at. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get back to the shop, and we'll catch you on the next one.